Ready to become a planet protector designer in under 10 minutes? Hi there, I'm Abby and I have a secret to share. Just by opening your Elevation Runway Zero Waste Upcycling Kit, you have already won. You have officially helped to keep at least 10 grams of waste out of our landfills. Isn't it awesome? Well, whether you are making this friendship band for yourself or as a surprise gift for your bestie, you're still turning trash into total treasure. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get crafting. And hey, if you want to keep your creativity flowing, just scan the QR code on the flyer and join us for our next artisanal workshop. Alright, let's make some magic. Take 2 pieces of your t-shirt yarn that is in your box. Okay, you put them together and then you're going to tie and make a loop on the top of the string or the yarn. Tie 2 knots. Okay, so tighten the knot and you have this loop. The next thing you do is to stabilize your yarn or what you're doing, you can always tape your yarn onto the table with the sellotape or masking tape. Okay, now what you can do is just you're going to knot the yarn together. You're going to start with the pink yarn. Okay, you just cross over, make a triangle, and you come under the green yarn and then you make a knot. Just like that. Okay, tighten it. And you repeat the same for the green yarn. So make a triangle. Okay, go underneath the pink yarn and tighten the knot. Okay, so you're going to repeat the same with the pink yarn, just like that. Pull and tighten it. Okay, so if you see that it's pink here, so you know that the next color knot will be the green one. That's it. So you're going to continue doing this until it actually fits your wrist. Alright, so we'll come back after you have finished tying your knots. Right, so now you're going to tie the knot for the bracelet. Remove the tape and take out your bracelet. Okay, so how are you going to tie the adjustable bracelet knot is you open the loop here, okay, and then you're going to put this yarn through the loop like this. Okay, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put it through the loop again. So you go 1 round and then you put it through the loop again, like that. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is just pull knot. Okay, all right. So at the end of your yarn here, you just need to tie another knot, just to make sure that the string doesn't come off. Okay, when you're adjusting your bracelet, so just to make sure that your string doesn't come off, so you're gonna tie 2 knots here. You can tie it this way as well. There you go. Okay, just give it a tug. And there you have an adjustable bracelet. Okay, so you're going to tidy up the ends here. So what you can do is you can just cut off the ends. Just like that. Same goes to these ones. And there you have beautiful friendship bracelet that can be adjusted. Tighten. You are done! High five! Take a look at what you have just made. You've turned fabric scraps into something totally unique and beautiful. So by doing this, you're not just giving the fabric a second chance, but you're actually becoming a planet-saving hero. You're diverting waste away from the landfill and protecting our Earth one scrap at a time. Do you want to level up your skills and learn more cool ways to upcycle fabric? Come and hang out with us at Elevation Runway Makerspace. Scan the QR code on the flyer and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for our upcoming workshops. We can't wait to see what you will create next. Every thread reclaimed, every star elevated. Keep crafting, and I'll see you soon. Bye!